Let's learn how to save archived stories on Facebook to your phone gallery. This both works on iOS and Android devices. You might have some good old memories you posted on Facebook story long ago, but now you want to see or save it again. No problem, it's very easy. Just follow my steps. So let's first start by opening your Facebook application from Homepage tab on 3 horizontal lines on bottom right corner. From here, click on your profile icon. That will lead you to your profile page once you're on profile page. Hit these 3 dots. They are just near this Edit Profile button. It will open Profile Settings. After that, seek for Activity Log option. It's the icon with dots and marks. You want to go there. When you did, that new page will appear with their screen showing Archive button. It's within Mailbox icon. Click on it. So now on the screen appeared that there are no items. But what you want to do is click on Story Archive. With clock ticking icon after you did that, a whole new page will appear with most of stories you posted. Now find a story you want to save, click it and wait until a picture loads. Once it loads, find 3 dots in upper corner near X button, hit them, and when new pop-up appear, press Save this story option. It's going to save your archived story to your gallery. To check if it did save, let's open the gallery now and see if can we find this story. Let's exit from Facebook and open the gallery. And here you can see it's the lastest one photo in the gallery, which means that photo has been successfully saved and you are finished. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.